This is a 2-point perspective drawing, page 2 of our perspective packet. A lot of hints are given to us. Our overall cube that we have to draw within is kind of highlighted at its corners. So I need to first project my construction lines from vanishing points to those various known points on that cube. Once again, the drawing will have to be drawn within that cube. I was a little off right there, but that's okay. Looks like there's 3 construction lines from each vanishing point at this time, and then I can create my verticals as well from those known points, and once again they're just construction lines. So there's my overall object. This is the same object, just looking at it from a couple different viewpoints, vantage points, and now I need to draw what can be seen on the outsides of this cube. This top surface, this front, and this right are the overall extents of the object. Notice how the right does not go all the way up to the top of the object, but it is covering it all the way here. So if I draw the right view first, I'm going to approximate that it goes up approximately this far. So that right surface, project it back to this VP, and there's the shape. So the 4 corners of that right part of the object are seen here. And I will darken that in. The next surface that we want to draw that can be seen is going to be the frontal view, but it doesn't go all the way to the back side of that object. So I will first project this known point to this VP and approximate how far it goes back. Let's say it goes back right here. And I will draw upward a vertical line. And then the rest of the shape we darken in here and here. Finally, on the top of this object, this surface, which is in the back left corner of the object, so a known point is here, and I have to approximate this distance, which I will do now. And I will approximate this depth, which I will do here. So I have 2 known points that need to be projected. This one projects back to VP2. This one here projects from VP1 and through it. And now I can see my entirety of my top shape, my top view. And it looks like this. So those are the only surfaces that lie completely on the outside perimeter of the object. Now I need to create this shape here. To do that, I will project construction lines downward, and by doing that, I can project this shape, or this line, to this intersection. So I will go ahead and do that, make sure I line it up with my VP. So that indicates this line, this indicates this line here. It is part of my object. I'll darken them in. Again, a known point of intersection, I can project this way. Which gives me the intersection seen here. And I will darken these 2 lines in. Finally, I need to project this back to VP1, like that. And I need to project this to VP2. That's going to give me some critical information. First off, I will draw this piece straight downward as a light construction line. And I can see that I'm going to go from here to here. And this intersection is this line to this line. So I'll darken those pieces in. Doesn't look too right. And this one comes straight down. So in a 2-point perspective, that's what that drawing will look like.